Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I showed you all these books and now I'm going to move them aside because it is time for the special books. Now I mentioned in my last video that I created 17 normal books and 2 weird books. I believed one is going to be a complete failure while the other one is going to be a winner. It was very interesting. It was very funky idea I had, but it turned out it's going to be completely opposite. The one that's supposed to fail is an absolute winner, and the one that's supposed to win, it's an absolute failure. So let's start, drum roll, with my... I don't think you're ready for this. And I want to know, did you ever see anybody on Amazon, on YouTube, anywhere using Amazon KDP to publish something like this? That's what I want to know. I want to know, am I the first one that came up with this idea? And this is my book. Now you know that when you publish your book, Amazon is allowing you that you can also pick a custom trim size. You don't have to pick the standard trim sizes. You can also type any number you want between 4 inches and 11 inches. So any number between those two numbers, it is good with Amazon. And I actually had a couple of emails back and forward when I first published this book, and they actually told me that they have engineers looking at this, how they can publish this, and that gave me like some certainty that they never had anyone until me to try to do something like this. Are you ready? Ta-da! Planner and organizer for business women. This is the book. This is the book. Now, my plan, my idea was for this to be a desk planner. So you have a keyboard, you have a monitor, and in between you have this, and you open it, and then you make your notes. When the sun rises, when the sun sets, before, between, and after, respect yourself. You have your info and data, important events, important dates, and as you move forward, you see it stays like this, and you can see everything here. That was the idea, but unfortunately it is a failure. This was my bright idea, but it's not a win because for first couple of pages it's working, so it's good, but after you go to the middle it becomes pointless. Ta-da! So this is a failure, but I'm not giving up on this idea. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving the fact that I have my own unique planner that I can publish. Now the problem with this one is that I made it too thick. This needs to be half of what it is. So at the moment this has 140 pages, and now that I'm saying that number out loud, I already know that was just ridiculous of me to think that 140 is going to open nicely. Not even a normal book can open nicely with 140 pages if it's not wider than it is tall. So what I'm going to do is, that's going to be my continuation of this experiment, is I'm going to make it slightly wider, and I'm going to reduce the page count to half. So instead of having 100 weeks, I'm going to make it just for 1 year. So it's going to have 52 weeks. So that means it's going to have just 60 or 70 pages. So half of what I have now. And I believe if I make it slightly wider, so here, and I make it half of the page count, this could be a potential winner. What do you think of this? What do you think of my planner and organizer for business woman? That's my question for you. What do you think of this idea? So technically, this is how the book opens up, but my idea was to use it like this, and maybe have some like decorative on Etsy, have some decorative stand here that's going to clamp it and hold it in this position. That was my big plan, but it failed because I made it too thick. But I'm not giving up on this idea. I'm loving this idea, and I want to know your opinion of this book. What do you think of this? Did you ever see this in Amazon KDP, independent publishing? Did you ever see anyone doing this? You have to try. That's the whole point. If you don't try, how will you know it's going to work or it's not going to work? Planner and organizer for business woman. Thank you very much for watching, and until next video, I'll see you in the comments. Please comment what do you think of this. Bye.